If a and b are inversely proportional and a is equal to 2 when b is equal to 5, what is b when a is equal to 5? So let's first define what inversely proportional means. Because I think it's always a good idea to understand, what we're actually talking about. It just means that if one thing goes up, then another goes down, or if one thing goes down, the other goes up. So just to give you a real world question, the more miles you drive, so the mileage goes up, the less gas you have in your gas tank. So that's an inverse relationship. Or the more you slow down in your car, maybe the safer you are, your safety goes up. So as you can see, they just simply go in the opposite direction. It doesn't mean that one has to go up, then the other goes down. It could be the opposite. One thing goes down and the other goes up. So inversely proportional, they might use the word opposite or indirect. Don't get confused. All of these three things mean the same thing, and we're going to use the same exact strategy for all of these three words. So the equation that you need to memorize is y is equal to c divided by x, where x and y are the things that are being varied or have the relationship, and c represents a constant value, so just a number. We can write this as x is equal to c over y. Again, it doesn't really matter, as I showed you here, just as long as they are one's on the numerator, on the opposite side of the equation sign, and one's on the denominator, on the other side of the equal sign. So what we have here is a and b are inversely proportional. So we can switch out this y and x for a and b. And we have when a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5. So if we multiply 5 on both sides, we get our constant is equal to c. Next it says, what is b when a is equal to 5? So again, we use the same equation, but in this case, we found c to be 10. So we have a is equal to 10 over b. And we're trying to solve for b when a is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 10 divided by b. Multiply b on both sides and divide 5 on both sides, we get b is equal to 10 divided by 5, or b is equal to 2. So the final answer is b. So make sure you memorize these two equations. Whatever constant you get, it's usually what you're going to solve for, and then you reuse that same constant in the same exact equation using the new numbers they give you and solve for either a or b.